Hey, what is up? It's me, iTech Everything, and I've been searching on Amazon for a backpack, and I found this one, and I've seen this with a lot of people, and it looks good, and I hope it is good too. So I bought it, and this is 2020. I bought it in the end of 2018. Long back footage. Really sorry, couldn't upload it. Very bad blade as well. Let me open it. It'll take some time. And this actually can store a lot of things. Now I used it for a year. Now I've discarded it because it just got old and a few tears and all. But it was pretty good, I'm saying. It's for $10, so it is a great price. It can fit your MacBook. It can fit your iPad, maybe 2 phones. I used to carry 2 phones, so that would fit easily. Few pen drives, hard disk maybe, and the power bank. It has some features for a power bank. I'll show that later in the video. And it is a good bag. I did not claim that it's bad, but if you spend 500 rupees more, that's about $5 more. Maybe, no, it's not, but yeah, around that range, or $3.5 somewhat. So that means if you spend higher, then you can get some better quality bags. And as you can see, this it's a Velcro, so it opens up and extends up, so you can add more things, which is a great feature. It has a chain, and on the actual belt which you put on your shoulder, I don't know what that's called, I forgot because I haven't used a bag since long, but that thing has a pocket. You can put your AirPods or earphones, anything. It is pretty good, and it can fit everything as you saw there. And that's the USB port. They gave a wire inside, so extender to your power bank, which is extremely good and useful if you want to carry your phone in your hands and walk, but I do not recommend that. So yeah, this was a quick video on this backpack. Hope you like it, and you can consider buying this or some better, more expensive bag which can give you more. So I won't link it in the description because nothing's available right now and the exact piece won't be available. So yeah, that's this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.